How to fix payment revision needed on Amazon. Let's get started. Firstly, launch your Amazon app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, navigate to three bars given at the bottom. Head over to the option account. Different sections will appear. Scroll down. Navigate to the section of payments. Click on the option Your Payments. Now, here you're going to find your payment details. Ensure your credit or debit card information, number, expiration date, billing address is accurate and up to date. Likewise, check for card validity. Confirm your card hasn't expired. Likewise, verify that your account has enough funds to cover the purchase. Once you check all these, you'll be good to go. Your problem might be fixed. If still issue persists, you can remove your current payment method, then add a new one. This way your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix payment revision needed on Amazon. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.